Well, hi there, everybody. Good Thursday morning to you. Kind of an odd weather day setting up out there for today, and it actually even started last night as temperatures have been climbing all night long, and then we have a cold front that comes through later on today, so our highs may come a little bit earlier in the day than what we would normally see. But also, along with that comes the threat of some blowing snow. A lot of wind out there today. In fact, enough wind that we're not talking about snow that's actually going to be falling, at least not a lot. It's more snow that's on the ground that could be blowing around by later on today. So we have winter weather advisories up in north central Nebraska from 9 o'clock this morning till 9 o'clock p.m. That's from about O'Neill and Bartlett on westward, Spencer on westward, and then to the east of there, northeast Nebraska, they are under winter weather advisories from noon until 6 o'clock this afternoon. And again, it's because visibilities could frequently drop below 1 mile due to blowing snow. Now, there is the chance there's a little bit of snow that actually falls up in northern Nebraska, but not enough to really accumulate, not to pile up at all. It's just that the blowing snow could be a problem. You also see farther to the northeast, those red shaded colors up in Minnesota. That's blizzard warnings. If we had actual snowfall, we could be talking about blizzard warnings here too, because we have some very strong winds moving in later on today. Now, it's a cold start to our day, but temps have been climbing overnight, and they will continue to climb pretty quickly as a warm front moves through, but this is quickly followed by a cold front, so it will be a very temporary warm-up, and in fact, behind that front, that's when winds shift out of the northwest, and they will become, I have breezy there. I think you could almost use the word windy, though. It's going to be a very blustery afternoon out there. Temps will start to drop through the afternoon hours, and again, there's those chances of flurries or snow squalls up in northern portions of Nebraska. But again, that combined with any snow on the ground could be blowing around quite a bit with the strong winds out there. Tonight, well, it remains quite blustery out there this evening and into the overnight hours, although winds may be a little lighter tomorrow morning. It won't matter, though. It'll be very frigid out there tomorrow morning as temps drop down to around the 0-degree mark across much of the area. Many places in the single digits above or below zero, but wind chills well below zero to kick off our Friday morning. Now, winds gradually die back through the day as high pressure builds into the area, but it will be a cold day. Now, we will have a lot of sunshine for your Friday, but temperatures will be struggling into the teens for afternoon highs due to this next cold air mass that moves in. So for today, temperatures will climb into the upper 20s and lower 30s up north, but then they'll fall later on this afternoon. Mostly cloudy up north with this chance of snow, or especially blowing snow is going to be the big problem with the stronger winds up there later on today. To the west, we're looking at maybe a few flurries, partly sunny skies. Temperatures mid to upper 30s and lower 40s. Those will again continue to drop later today. Same story in the south. We'll see dropping temperatures in the afternoon. We'll top out probably early afternoon in the low to mid, maybe even upper 30s to near 40 degrees. And to the east, low to mid 30s with falling temperatures later on today. Looking at your forecast for the rest of the next 7 days, tomorrow a much colder day, highs only in the teens, a little bit breezy, especially in the morning. And then just like last night, we actually may see temperatures rise overnight Friday night into Saturday morning as another warmer air mass moves in. So we get back into the lower 30s on Saturday. That's followed by another shot of cold air for Sunday into Monday, so back down into the 20s and maybe even teens on Monday. A few flurries also possible on Monday, maybe even some light snow up north. I also threw in a slight chances of light snow on Tuesday. I don't think this will amount to much as of yet, but that's still a long ways away yet, so we'll kind of figure that out as we get closer to next week. And then Wednesday back to around the 32-degree mark in what may be the start of a pattern change across the country where we start to break out of this Arctic chill and start to see temperatures that may actually get closer, if not even above normal. We may kind of settle into a stretch of above normal conditions towards the end of next week and the following weekend. So things will get better. We still have some shots of cold air from time to time, but hey, a temporary warm up today. You may not notice it much because of those strong winds. So, especially later on today, be careful out there with the reduced visibilities across parts of the area, especially in the northern half of the state. Otherwise, again, we just kind of ride the temperature roller coaster ride these next several days to come. So that is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Thursday.